Update from Orania in South Africa. The hateful chant, "Kill the Boer, kill the farmer," rang through South Africa once again. This hateful rhetoric, which was recently played at the White House when President Trump met with President Ramaphosa of South Africa, was sung again by Mr. Julius Malema at a local rally. This time he explicitly stated, "I repeat, kill the Boer, kill the farmer." Even worse, the President of South Africa is flat out unwilling to even denounce this song in South Africa. Although that was not his tune when he visited the White House, when in the presence of President Trump, he said he and his party have always denounced "kill the Boer, kill the farmer." Have a look.
You denounced that type of language in the video that you saw.
Oh yes, we've always done so. As government, as my own party, we are completely opposed to that.
But why wouldn't you arrest that man?
This week, however, President Ramaphosa changed his tune. He said that the song "Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer" should not be denounced because it is simply a liberation song. He also said that the USA will not instruct him on who to arrest and who not. See for yourself.
For us, and when it comes to the issues of arresting anyone for any slogan, that is a sovereign issue. It's not a matter where we need to be instructed by anyone that go and arrest this one. We are a very proud sovereign country that has its own laws, that has its own processes, and we take into account what the Constitutional Court also decided when it said that, that slogan, "Kill the Boer, kill the farmer," is a liberation chant. They will probably want to arrest people willy-nilly. We follow the dictates of our Constitution.
This is exactly why it is necessary to build places like Orania. To the outside, the ANC is pro-human rights and anti-hate speech and so on, but locally they do not even condemn this hateful behavior. This is the reason why Afrikaners need a national home. We need to build a place for ourselves where we can truly make our own decisions. We ask our friends in the United States to help recognize Orania, but we also ask the rest of the international community. We also ask other South Africans who are against this hateful behavior to help us to build places like Orania. It is the only solution for Afrikaners who cannot longer be exposed to chants like "Kill the farmer, kill the Boer," and all the violence that comes with that. The more they sing, the more we will build.